Today we are going to discuss the topic about causes of voltage drop in alternator. That when the alternator loaded, current flows through the armature winding and establishes its own flux. There are two types of flux in the air gap. Due to the current through the field winding, that is called main flux. Due to current through the armature winding, that is called armature flux. The effect of armature flux on main flux is known as armature reaction. The effect of armature reaction can be three different types of load. One is unity power factor load and zero lagging power factor load and zero leading power factor at load. The armature effective resistance RF, armature leakage resistance XL and armature reactance. The armature leakage reactant XL. The major components slot leakage reaction winding, leakage reactant tooth, tip leakage reactance. Synchronous reactance is XS equal to XL divided plus AXA. XA is a armature reaction reactance and XA is a synchronous impedance. Now is ZS equal to RA plus JX. Armature reaction. The effect of armature flux on the main field flux. The armature reaction effect depend upon power factor of the load. UPF means that unity power factor cross magnetizing, and lag EPF means that lagging power factor demagnetizing, and lead PF means that lead power factor magnetizing. First one is unity power factor. Let as a resistive load be connected to the alternator. Induced EMF per phase E phase drives current I phase through the resistive load. E phase and I phase in same phase. E phase and I phase in same phase. E phase and I phase is same phase. Then the main flux pi f. The main flux pi f generate E phase lags pi f. E phase lags pi f. The armature current IA produced armature flux pi A, where pi A IA in same direction, where pi A IA is same direction, so that I phase and pi A is same induced phase. The flux linkage diagram is this one. Next one is zero lagging power factor. Zero lagging power factor. Let as inductive load is connected to the alternator. Induced EMF E phase drives by a current per phase I phase lags from E phase angle of 90 degree, so that field flux pi F produce E phase. E phase lags begin the pi F by an angle of 90 degree. Again armature current IA produces an armature flux pi A is phase with the IA. Now pi F is exactly opposite direction. Pi A and IA is which direction? Opposite direction to the each other. This effect is known as demagnetizing effect or armature reaction. Then next one is lagging power factor or zero leading power factor of load. Let pure capacitive load will be connected to the alternator. Induced EMF per phase E phase drives a current flow for I phase through the capacitive load, which loads E phase by an angle of 90 degree. Again armature current IA produced armature flux pi A, where pi A is phase with IA. The graph pi A and pi F is exactly same direction. Exactly same direction. This effect is known as magnetizing effect of armature reaction. Thank you.